Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be trying some new makeup that I got from Ulta. So I already have my base done and my eyebrows done. Well, half of my base done. I just have foundation on. First product that I'm going to use is the Youthforia. What is this? Bio Blush Oil, I think it's called. Yeah. And this is I want to try it on my cheeks and on the lips as well. So let's actually first do it on the cheeks. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I'm gonna take the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty, the N17 brush to blend it. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. I really like that. That's so pretty. Now I have two eyeliners that I want to try. One is from Persona. This is the 24-hour waterproof eye pencil. I have the shade Bronze. And then the Essence Stay and Play Gel Liner in Silky Nude. For an eyeshadow, today we have a single eyeshadow from Half Magic. This is in the shade Blushing Lizard. I still have it in the packaging. I don't have like one of those like magnetic palette things, so I just have it in this. I think that is so pretty. I love that. So that's what I'm going to use for eyeshadow. So I'm going to prime my eyes using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm going to take the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty, the N16 brush. I'm going to take a small amount of this. I only really like to use a small amount of this product. And just apply it to the entire lid. Okay, I'm going to set the lids with the Makeup by Mario Real Skin Soft Blur setting powder. This one is in Fair Pink. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzer. It'll focus. There we go. This is in the shade Light. And I'm going to apply this in the crease when I'm using the BK Beauty, the 202 brush. Okay, so I finished up the rest of my makeup minus the bronzer because I have a bronzer video that I'm going to be filming. And I kind of did the base of my eye look. Now I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow. So again, this is from Half Magic. This is the single eyeshadow in Blushing Lizard. So I'm going to use my finger to apply this. I'm going to apply this right on the lid. I like to take a blending brush and just blend the two edges. Now we are going to take the eyeliner from Persona Cosmetics. This is in the shade Bronze, and I'm going to create a tiny wing. I'm going to set the eyeliner with a powder now. I'm going to take my finger just to kind of clean up the edges. Then I'm going to go into the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes eyeshadow palette. We are going to take a matte 7, which is this one, with the BK Beauty 208 brush to set the eyeliner. Not exactly even wings, but that's okay. Alright, I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tweezer Man lash curler. And I'm going to use my new favorite mascara. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal mascara. Then for bottom waterline, I'm going to take the Essence Stay and Play gel liner in Silky Nude and apply this to the waterline. Alright, I'm going to go back into my bronzer or the lower lash line. I'm going to use the BK Beauty 204 brush and apply this to the lower lash line. I'm going to go into the Makeup by Mario palette and take matte 7. And we are going to place this on the outer third of the lower lash line. And then for mascara on the lower lashes, I'm going to take the same mascara that we used on the top. Now we can go back to the Youthforia blush oil thing. I'm going to first remove the lip balm because it had time to soak into my lips. So like I said, the reason why I didn't do any bronzer or contour is because I'm going to be doing I'm going to film a bronzer video right after this. And I want to keep all of the makeup on when I'm doing that video. So okay. But first I'm going to do a little bit of prep before I put on the oil. I'm gonna take the Makeup by Mario, what is this? Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil in the shade Smoky Pink. And I kind of been overlining the bottom lip and the top lip. And I've been really liking how it looks and kind of doing a more rounder upper lip. And not fully connecting it to the outer corner. So I'm just going to outline. I'm not going to actually fill in the lips. I've tried all these products before, but not on camera. And I have used a lip liner with the blush oil thing, and I absolutely love it. Then I like to take the brush side of the lip liner and just blend it a little bit. Now let's take the blush oil. I love the way that it looks. Okay, that was all of the new products that I got from Ulta. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you in the next one. Bye!